guys, I hope you're well and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a different video. It's not a review and it's not a tutorial. It's more of kind of like just a little chat about some of my beauty commandments in order to kind of look good, feel good on the inside, feel good on the outside, and just feel good about kind of like your makeup and how to make the most of your makeup, because people are always asking me about how to make the most of makeup and the best things to do, blah 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 blah. Beauty basically does come from within, so it's not just about amazing makeup. You have to kind of start right back from the beginning and start from scratch in order to kind of have your makeup looking good and feeling really confident about your makeup as well. So I'm just going to talk to you about my 10 beauty commandments, and I'm going to start with the first one. Number 1, doesn't matter how much makeup you wear or how little makeup you wear or how little makeup you think you wear, you have to remove your makeup before you go to bed every single day. It doesn't matter if you're drunk, how tired you are, if you think that your makeup has rubbed off during the day, which of course it's going to do that, but you have to remove your makeup every single day. You need to clean those pores because makeup gets right into your pores, and you've got dirt from the day in your face, you've got sweat, you've got, I don't know, whatever, pollution in general. You need to clean your makeup with water every single day. A makeup remover wipe is fine to kind of use, but it's basically just spreading the crap all over your face. So you need to then remove it with water. I always use like a cleanser and then a flannel and really take it all off. And I know that my face is squeaky clean before I go to bed. You have to do that every night before you go to bed. Promise me. Number 2, when you kind of been following all these commandments and stuff for a while and your skin is looking good and you feel like amazing, your skin's feeling like all smooth and lovely, and you've got a good skincare routine going on and everyone's telling you how glowing you're looking and you can feel your skin looking good, and or alternatively in the day you might feel tired and you tend to touch your face a lot. Don't touch your face. Faces are not for touching. If you've got makeup on, you're just going to be moving your makeup around and your makeup's obviously going to come off and rub off if you keep touching your face. If you're having a clean, no makeup day, you keep touching your face, just think about all the things that your hands touch throughout the day, whether it's in your kitchen, at work, just holding onto something on the tube, and then you keep touching your face. All that dirt is going on your face and all that bacteria is getting on your face, all those germs are getting on your face. Don't touch your face. No one is allowed to touch your face, okay? You aren't, no one else is. Don't touch your face. Number 3, you have to wash your makeup brushes and your beauty blenders and all your makeup applicators. You're supposed to wash them every 2 weeks, really, but I know, like, even I don't do that, I don't have time for it. But once a month. You need to wash this stuff once a month. Just imagine all the bacteria and makeup build-up that gets on your makeup brushes. So unfortunately, if you're brush obsessed like I am, then yeah, you're going to have a lot of brushes to wash. Like, you know, that's like my everyday brushes. There's like a good 12 there. Good clean with baby shampoo, and there's so many different like cleaning methods and stuff these days. Just make it a habit, make it part of your routine. Clean your makeup brushes and your applicators and stuff, because that is going to make your makeup application better anyway when they're really clean, and also it's just going to stop you from getting breakouts because you haven't got all that bacteria that's on your brushes then going on your face. Number 4, this is like a basic, but you need to have your skincare routine down, which includes cleansing your face every single day and wearing moisturiser every single day. Some people say that they have really oily skin and they don't need moisturiser. Yes, you do, because if you're not going to wear moisturiser, then your skin is then going to think, hang on, I've got nothing, it's going to try to moisturise itself, and therefore it's going to then create oils in order to moisturise itself, so it's going to make your skin more oily. Just find the right moisturiser for you. You're going to have to try different ones. You know, there's ones for dry skin, blemished skin, anti-blemish moisturisers, there's moisturisers for oily skin, there's moisturisers for so many different skin types. Just find your one, find your jam, and make sure you moisturise every single day and make sure you cleanse every single day. Then also as part of your skincare routine, you need to try to use a face mask just to kind of pamper yourself. So you can get lots of different face masks. You can get like 5-minute face masks if you don't have a lot of time. You can get 10-minute ones, 15-minute ones. You can get ones that you wear for half an hour. What I tend to do is, because I don't have a lot of time to just sit there with a face mask on, that's why I don't use a lot of sheet masks, because you literally have to just lie there, because otherwise the sheet will fall off, even though they're amazing. So when I have more time I use a sheet mask, but otherwise I just use like a clay mask or whatever mask, and I'll do it so while I'll get up in the morning and brush my teeth, while I'm deciding what to wear, while getting my outfit ready, I will put a face mask on. While you're hoovering your house, then you can have your face mask on. And the other thing I do is put a nice face mask on, and then I'll do my workout. Obviously if I'm not at the gym, I do my workouts at home, but it's just kind of like utilising your time, but try to do a face mask. So I actually do a face mask, like I try to do a face mask twice a week, but if not, at least once a week. But let's start off with once a month and then see how we go. Another step to the skincare routine is exfoliating. Exfoliating your skin is really, really important. It just removes all the dead skin cells, all the build-up. Keep on talking about build up, but there's a lot of stuff that builds up on your face, which in time will mean that you don't get like dry skin, because you're exfoliating all the dead skin cells. Your skin's going to look brighter, you're going to look more youthful, and you're going to look more glowy, and that's what you want. So try to exfoliate once or twice a week. If you've got really sensitive skin or really acne prone skin, maybe start off like once every fortnight and then build it up. But again, you need to find the right exfoliator for you, but exfoliate once a week. So with all this skincare going on, it's really disappointing when I see people have amazing skin, amazing makeup, and their lips are flaking. Don't forget, your lips are part of your skincare. You need to have soft lips. You need to keep yourself and your lips hydrated. So every opportunity, your lips should never be naked. You should always have some kind of like lip balm or something on your lips, and your lipstick is going to last longer if you've got like a smooth surface. And especially if you're wearing matte lipsticks and stuff, which I do, that can feel quite dry on your lips. So just make sure when you take your makeup off before you go to bed, use that opportunity to smother yourself in lip balm, so when you wake up and your lips are still soft and smooth and hydrated. I also like to use kind of like a lip exfoliator just to take off all the dead skin on my lips and kind of like lipstick residue, because I wear lipstick every single day, so it's just nice to kind of give your lips that little bit of extra exfoliation as well as not forgetting about your lips. You also kind of need to not forget about the rest of your body. When people talk about a skincare routine or their skin, people tend to concentrate on your face, because that's probably like the skin that's seen the most. But you know, you have to shop. Basically, your skin is the largest organ on your body. Like it, you know, it keeps everything together. You have a lot of skin. You know, you've got your arms, your legs, your torso, your butt, your shoulders, your back. Like there's a lot of skin going on. So get into a habit of coming out of the shower in the morning and moisturising your whole body, not just in the summer, not just when it's legs out season, it's just all the time, because it just keeps your skin just nice and smooth and soft, and just makes you feel better overall if the skin all over your body is nice and moisturised and hydrated. Speaking of hydration, water is like the be all and end all of a good skincare routine and being healthy and feeling amazing. If the more water you drink, it's going to flush out all those horrible things in your body. It's going to just give you, you know, it's really hard to kind of drink water, and I know at work we're always trying to drink more and more water. Just drink as much as you can and build it up, but just try to keep sipping water throughout the day, and you'll notice such a massive difference in your skin the more and more water you drink. It is so good for your skin, and again, this is like not just the skin on your face, it's the skin all over your body, and if it's just for your general well-being, water is the key. So stay hydrated and drink water. And as well as drinking water, you also need to get your beauty sleep. Beauty sleep is a real thing. I always notice if I've had a really busy week or like a few days where I'm not getting as much sleep as I need, I'll start to break out. So I've already started to break out this week because I've been having very little sleep. But when you're getting your sleep makes you look younger, it makes you feel energized, and it doesn't keep, like, your skin's not going to look dull, and your skin's not going to look dull. So you need to get your beauty sleep and you need to drink water. And then my last point is for beauty is to give your hair the TLC it needs. In order for your hair to be shiny, you need to drink water, but you also need to look after it. So if you style your hair every day and you're using hair straighteners or hair tongs and stuff every day, try to cut it down to not every day. Try to kind of put a bit of product that's going to hold for your style for a couple of days, so you don't have to use heated products on your hair every day. I know it's really difficult, and if you have to use heated products on your hair every day, that's fine, but try to use a hair mask. I try to use a hair mask a couple of times a week because about a year ago I bleached my hair and it just went so dry, and it still is, it feels so dry. It looks shiny, but when you feel it, it's dry. So yeah, just use a hair mask, give your hair some TLC. And when you get those hair masks that have to be in for like 20 minutes, like, who's got time for that? Who's got time to go in the shower, wash their hair, put a hair mask in, come back out, what, 20 minutes to kill, then go back in the shower again? No, I haven't got time for that. I try to use those 3 to 5 minute hair masks. So I'll get in the shower, wash my hair, put the hair mask in, shave my legs, clean my body, exfoliate my body, do whatever I need to do. 3 to 5 minutes is up, then you can wash out the hair mask and you come out and you've got shiny, healthy hair. So yeah, those are my tips. They're easy tips and they are my beauty commandments. So if you want to follow, comment below and let me know which ones your favourite are, and let me know which ones you do or don't do, and join me on following these commandments, and let me know if it helps you and if it improves your skin and your overall like beauty regime and stuff. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and let me know if you like these type of videos or not. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, and I will speak to you guys very soon. Bye guys.